Hi guys, in this lesson you're gonna learn how to use verb to be in positive, negative and question sentences. First, verb to be is not a regular verb. It's a irregular verb. That means that when we use the verb to be in the sentences, we change it to the am, is and are. So we say I am, you are, he, she, it is, and plural we are, you are, they are. And after that there is a complement. I am a student, you are a doctor, he is a teacher, she is a nurse, it's a cat, we are happy, you are at the library, they are in New York. Then let's go to how to make the negative sentences. It's very easy. So we just add not to the verb. So I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, and we, you, they are not. Then we put the complements here again. So let's go to the question sentences. So when we make a question sentences, we move to be verb to the beginning of the sentence. So am, are, is, then am I a student? Are you a doctor? Is he a teacher? Is she a nurse? Are we happy? Are you at the library? Are they in New York? And now let's go to how where we use the verb to be. So how to use verb to be with nouns, adjective, location. So we write I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and to be verb to be am, are, is, are. So the first place we're gonna use the verb is with the nouns. So here I am a student. What I'm doing here is I am describing the nouns or pronouns. So I, who am I? I am a student. You, who are you? You are a doctor. He's John. She's a nurse. It is cheese. What is it? It's cheese. We are doctors. Who are we? We are doctors. So we describe the subject. And the second is we use verb to be with the adjectives. So we give extra information about the noun. So I am happy. You are sad. He is good. She is angry. It is black. We are smart. You are beautiful. They are small. Here there are two things we have to be careful when we use the subject with the nouns. So if the subject is singular, noun, if it's a countable noun, it should be singular. So I am a student. You are a doctor. Here you is singular. But when we go to plural, we are doctors. So we add s. So we don't say we are a doctor. I say we are doctors. You are doctors. They are nurses. Okay. It must be agreement between subject and the noun. But adjectives, the first thing is adjectives never take a article a. Okay. So I don't say I am a happy. I just say I am happy. Right. But if I say I am a happy man, so because I put a here man, that's why I put a before the happy. I am a happy man. But that article is not belong to happy. It belongs to the man. So I am a happy man. You are a sad man. right? You are a sad man. I can say a sad man, but if I only use sad, I just say you are sad. He is good, right? The second is adjectives never takes s like a doctors. We just add s to the countable nouns. So doctors, one doctor, two doctors, three doctors, but we don't say one happy, two happy, or one sad, two sad. So that's why we just say sad. You are sad, you are beautiful. They are small. We don't say they are small. Okay, so that's things we have to be careful. And what else we using the to be verb? The third one, the location. So we just wanna say where is the subject, right? I. Where am I? I am at the park. Where are you? You are in London. Where is he? He is on the bus. She is in the car. It is on the table. We are next to the bank. You are outside. They are from France. So we're just talking about the location of the subject. So there are three places we use verb to be. And the last one is if we use question words. What are question words? Here there are only a few. I just wrote a few of them. So where, how old, who, why, what, where. So also you can use when or which. So when we use the question words, the question words always um, comes before the verb to be. Where am I? Okay. So how old are you? So question words to be the subject and complement. Why is she at the office? Right. So let's think like that. The positive of the sentence is she is at the office. She's at the office now. When we make a question, is she at the office? And if we want to add question words, we say, why is she at the office? Okay. So what is it? Where are we right now? Why are you? Where are they? Where are they from? That's easy way to use the question words to be subject complement.